Welcome back to Divine Times 2. Thanks for being awesome subscribers. If you're not a subscriber, welcome and please consider subscribing so you won't miss out on any of our future videos. If you like this recipe, please share it. Today, I am going to show you how to make slow-cooked cranberry and ranch chicken. This recipe is so easy to put together, and if you're home while this recipe is cooking, you are going to think it's already Thanksgiving. The aroma is so good. Okay, let's get started. The ingredients are 3 pounds skinless and boneless chicken breast, 2 tablespoons or 1 ounce packet ranch dressing in powder form, 3/4 tablespoon poultry seasoning, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, and 1 14 or 15-ounce can whole cranberry sauce. I am going to use a bowl to mix the ingredients. Stir well, making sure each chicken breast is coated with the cranberry mixture. Turn your slow cooker to low and cook for 5 to 6 hours or on high for 4 hours. This recipe is done. It smells amazing and the chicken is tender. I love that the mixture turns into a gravy-like consistency. We are going to enjoy this simple but yet delicious slow-cooked cranberry and ranch chicken on a bed of jasmine rice. It would also go wonderfully on mashed potatoes. Yummy. I hope you give this recipe a try. Remember to stay kind, positive, and divine. See you next time. Love ya. Bye.